Hello friends, this is Jaswant Singh and today I am going to show you how to create a wonderful resume for your job when you are applying for a job or CV. So there are a lot of designs I can show you. So this is not a long process, just a few steps are required because here are default template you can use on Canva like this. Here is my design of my CV. You can see, so I'm going to design a resume like this. So let's get started. So first of all, log into canva.com and then you can log in with your Google account as well. So click on the Google, go to Google account, whatever you can type, or if you have already logged in you can directly log into that. So I'm here in the Canva homepage, so I have to type resume. Click here. So you can see there are a lot of designs, and all these designs are free. Some of them are pro version, but you can find out lots of free designs there. Default templates. Let's do this one. So you can increase the size if you want. So first of all, delete this picture. Oh my god, Control Z, you can do anything. So you need your photo, you can upload. So here is my uploaded picture. That's it. So image has been changed. So now next job is to change the name. Every text can be changed. Then put your contact information, then your core competencies, and anything you want to write here, your work experience. So guys, if you want to change anything in this design, that is also possible, because you have to just go to text, add heading. So this is the new heading. You can just increase or decrease the size or move it anywhere else. Like if I want to write something here, so anything, I mean this is fully customizable. After that you have to do is just go to this link and click on it. PDF, you can download as a PDF or JPG and PNG. Some of them are maybe animated design is for premium version only, otherwise you can download anything PDF standard. So this is fully free, no any kind of registration is required, just log in with Google. So there are many other templates too, like if you want to design your own business card, so you can find out business card. Let's go to the home page. Here you can see the page we are editing right now, and just right there business card. So these are the designs you can choose for your business card. You can fill out your information here. That's very simple, and you can download it. And the next one is Like if you are creating your assignment for your college or for work, or any, you are providing a budget to your client, so there are many templates for that also. Just go to homepage and type book cover, CD cover, magazine cover, cover letter, letterhead, anything. So it's very simple basically. Thousands of designs are here available, you can go anywhere. So there are photos also available, you can use those photos for different purpose. Like if you are creating your own custom design, like I click on here, custom dimensions, and then you want to have a background, so you can use these images on the background. This is Premiere, this is free, like I can use this one, right, for my custom design, such as, let's do it. $1,500. So this is the empty page. I can fill the background with any image I want. Like this is the pro version, on this is free. Yeah. So this is not fit for my design. I can press it. So if I want to write something, like I'm creating a poster or any flyer, so I have to go to text, add a heading, and another subheading. That's it. So you can write down anything you want here. If you want to change the image, you can change at any time. Just delete it and go to another image. So there are elements as well. If you want to add any element, so it's very simple. You don't need any specific training. You don't need to be expert in designing. So you can find out default template if you don't want to design your own. So there is another option for the background. This is the free one. Right. Looks good. You can move this design a little bit here. You can add another text here. That's it. So you can put your contact at here. So basically you can download. Go to download. So this is PNG I have selected. I can also download as a PDF. So PNG is great. Download. this is how your design will look after downloading. Right, no watermark, nothing else. It is absolutely free. Thanks guys. If you like the video, please click the share button. Thanks.